Unraveling the mystery. What's bugging you? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, what's bugging you? It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, songs, or in casual conversation. But what does it really mean? And how can you use it in your daily conversations? Let's find out together. The phrase, what's bugging you, is an informal way of asking someone what is annoying or bothering them. The word bugging here is used figuratively and has nothing to do with actual insects. Instead, it's a slang term that refers to something that's irritating or causing discomfort to someone. When you ask someone, what's bugging you, you're showing concern for their well-being. It's a way of asking, what's wrong? Or, what's on your mind, in a friendly and casual manner. This phrase is most commonly used in casual conversations among friends or family. It's not typically used in formal settings. Here's how you can incorporate it into your conversations. Expressing concern. If you notice someone seems upset or distracted, you can ask, hey, what's bugging you? It shows you care and are willing to listen. Starting a conversation. It can also be a way to start a conversation with someone who seems to need to talk about something that's bothering them. Remember, the tone of voice is important. It should be friendly and concerned, not accusatory or invasive. Let's see some examples to understand how to use what's bugging you in different situations. Friendship scenario. Your friend seems quiet and not their usual self. You ask, you've been really quiet today. What's bugging you? Family scenario. A family member looks worried at dinner. You might say, you seem worried. What's bugging you? Maybe I can help. Work scenario. Although less common in formal work environments, it can be used in close-knit teams. You've been staring at your screen for a while now. What's bugging you? Anything I can do to help? Understanding and using phrases like, what's bugging you, can help you connect better with friends, family, and even colleagues on a more personal level. It shows empathy and concern for others' feelings and can open up meaningful conversations. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about understanding the nuances and expressions that make conversations richer and more authentic. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.